Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another price prediction video for Solana. After we have been dipping big time, it seems like we're finding ourselves in a great shape again by marking the lows, especially that the current situation in the market is heading towards a recovery phase, considering the fact that some of the altcoins have retraced more than 30% during this bearish momentum under short-term domination. Solana is back into the almost $3 billion volume for the last 24 hours. It wants to be that altcoin which is taking the spotlight of the highest domination on board, which is great for us. We are trading it, we're making money from this, and we're enjoying. We're also trading Bitcoin, guys. There is a live trade going on right here. On my side, 45 Bitcoins. I've launched this one 24 hours ago, less than 24 hours ago. We've got $77,000. Look at the entry, 38,650. Look at the entry, 38,650. Now, you tell me if this is a good entry or not. You tell me if this is an accurate entry or not, folks. That's the only thing that I'd like to point out. And by the way, for those of you that would like to join my trades, as per your request, we have basically the completely done for you trading with the ability for you to join on board without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. It's a completely outsourced way of trading with API trading permission, no upfront fees. Reach out for more details, including the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious about a business and would like to sit off away, learn how to trade. I mean, intensively on private with me between 4 to 6 weeks. I am going to teach you completely how to trade. Just like you can see on the entry side, perfect entries are the ones that you actually need. What's happening on Solana, folks? What's going on the current situation? Well, the first thing that I'd like to point out will be around the fact that this is a trending line which has to be adjusted. Just bear with me for a second, folks. I'm doing this live right here. I'm sure you don't mind that. There you go. Beautiful. Now, what's happening, folks? We are in a very interesting pattern of a possibility for a breakout. We have been touching a major support, especially that the angle, it's 1.88 as a size, and this is always representing, as soon as it's under 2, a great possibility for a market recovery. The recovery is going to be substantial, especially that the movement is already confirmed on a percentage of 37%. Right, so we're not speaking about something that is a minor corrective wave, which is usually happening during the times you're pumping, and it's not happening during the times you're having a short-term bearish domination, like in this case scenario. So it's pretty much clear that we have been going through a moment that is obviously under the bearish domination. So it's clear that the recovery is necessarily after this time. We did have opportunities in the past as well to break out of the structure. We didn't, right there, and another try of that. So the idea is that when we are trading around $100 for this cryptocurrency on Solana side, we're going to face trouble, which is also the first target that I'd like to point towards. Of course, there's still time in January out there to achieve that, but I wouldn't mind touching $100 in February as quickly as possible. In case of Solana, if we print from here 27% and we make big money on the trades, it's fine, as we are doing it on leverage. As you saw it on my side, we have a 19x leverage on 45 Bitcoins as a total side of the trade, 1.7 million. There is a $92,000 initial margin on this one, folks. The same thing happens when you're trading altcoins. Other than that, it's just a lot better revenue with the alts because they're having a volatility and force that is stronger when it comes down to the reactions and movements. So 28% basically for the entire extension right there. It's not just about that percentage. What matters to do it is that you can obviously zigzag like this. The purple line is indicator that we're going to follow the price action as a core movement, considering there is basically noises in the middle. Noises in the middle could always basically be even like this, right? The idea is that you can push into the $100 easily from these levels, very easily, with the only difficulty appearing and challenge appearing will be on the resistance line of the trend, right? This one. That will be the only thing which could make us have a challenge which I wouldn't categorize as difficult. I would actually categorize after a so powerful retracement and all the other indicators as well that are sort of more advanced or portraying great numbers. Our AI bot trading is portraying great numbers for the entry. Obviously, entries on the lows will obvious have the ability to handle a risk management process where you can exit partially at some point when you're expecting a resistance and basically handle the trade in the most efficient way possible without needing just to wait for the highest target possible out there or for the highest target expectable out there. It's possible to exit quicker if there is a necessity for that. So this is the current situation, folks, on the table. This channel trending resistance line is definitely representing a selling pressure that will be triggered just like it has been in the past. We will need some volume and power to go through that, and I would actually prefer to get above the red line here, find support, and then we can explode easily, right? This is what I would prefer. We might need a couple of days out there to do it. Also, I wouldn't mind any form of a sell-off is going to be bought up, right? So don't worry about it. It's a great opportunity to get into some longs if the market will give you the ability to join anything around $80, $81, $82. If you get that chance, it's good to pick that up. Now, that's where we are with Solana. This is what we're targeting basically for the first moment, $100. Obviously, it is a level which is definitely achievable, but at the same time, the golden pocket above is also achievable, and I would like to keep that in mind. There's some inefficient candlesticks right there, especially up to $114. So between 110, 114 right there. That's it, folks. Once again, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Let's take a look at a trade, 75 grand on this one. For those of you that would like to join my trading, feel free to reach out. Check out this spreadsheet with my trading journal. Just like I said, completely done for you as a system, no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved. At the same time, basically, we have the one-on-one coaching for anyone that would like to become financial free and work towards that. This is a coaching program that is running comprehensively, one-on-one with me live. We'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Everything that I do, basically, since 2014 as I'm a full-time trader, will be presented. Enjoy, guys. Have a good time.